Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the counterbalance spring in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Using a 5/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the screw to release the support bar from the front panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the front panel to the side panels. Lift the front panel up and out. Use a 9/16" wrench or socket to unthread the bolts, securing the tub base to the frame. Next, disconnect the motor wire harness and capacitor wires. Detach the wire retainer from the transmission plate. Now disconnect the air tube from the tub and detach it from the retainer. Use pliers to release the spring clamps securing the drain hose to the rear coupler. Pull the hose off. You can now have an assistant help you to slide the tub assembly out of the cabinet. If still intact, use pliers to help detach the old counterbalance spring. Install the new counterbalance spring by first attaching the short end to the tub bracket. Then insert the long end into the hole in the base. Align the base on the support rails and slide the tub assembly back into the cabinet. Reattach the drain hose to the rear coupler and secure it with the spring clamp. Reattach the air tube to the tub and secure it in the retainer. Reconnect the motor wire harness, along with the capacitor wires. Snap the wire retainer into place on the transmission plate. Confirm the base is properly positioned on the support rail tabs. Then thread the two bolts. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel on the side panel mounting clips. Thread the screws to secure. Reposition the support bar and thread the screw. Realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the 2 spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.